channel. So I am finally going to attempt to do some knotless box braids in my head. As you can see, my hair is looking a little crazy. I have a ponytail here, the ponytail here, and then the back of my hair I have already pre-sectioned. So all I have to do is undo the sections that I already have in my hair where the twists are and go ahead and try to do the braid. Again, this is my very first time trying this. I am going to attempt to install the first braid while I am on here. So I have not practiced or anything. This is going to be my very first try. If I cannot get it, then I don't know what I'm going to do. I went today and picked up some hair. I don't know if this is the right kind of hair. Everybody uses different hair. Some people use hair that's already pre-stretched, and then I see some people that like to use like expressions and they just cut it themselves because they say it makes the ends look better. So this is my trial and error. I will figure it out as I go. There are two different methods to doing this. I don't know which one I'm going to try, so I think I'm just going to try both of them and see which one works best for me and easier for me to grip. So if my parts are crooked, just overlook that because I am using mirrors to part my hair. So usually most of my hairstyles, I don't really worry about my parts in the back, only the front. But because I know your parts show very clear with these type of braids, I do kind of want them to be neat. This is also my first time using edge control. And I also have some jam. This is the regular hold. Y'all know I don't like jam. I do not like gel in my hair. And I'm using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Infusion Edge Control. It smells good. I don't know how it's gonna work on my hair, but I guess we're gonna figure out. Let's get started. just dipped my hair. This hair actually came out longer than I wanted it to, but that's okay because it still looks really good. I don't know if y'all can see how neat that looks. I will just do a close-up for you guys. Okay, in the process of these braids, okay, I actually figured out how to do it. I did have to, because I could not part from the camera while I was recording, so I did go to the bathroom, look in the mirror, part my hair, section it off. I would twist each braid that I wanted. I would twist each section, and then I would just basically come back. I actually had the weave in sections as far as how I would install the pieces of hair into one braid. So I did 3 pieces of weave for each plait that I did. I used Spectra brand hair. It was pre-stretched. And I saw a lot of videos where some people use pre-stretched hair and then some people didn't. I would say if I had to do this again, I would not use the pre-stretched hair because it does have my ends really, really thin. And I just dipped my hair so it's still wet and dripping. And I don't have, let me show you. This is a 26-inch. So it comes pretty much to my waist. And then the back, about the same length. I have not cut my hair yet because I cannot find my scissors. I see them all the time when I don't need them, and now the fact that I need them, I can't find them. But yeah, my hair is very neat. It's not heavy at all. And it doesn't hurt. You know, sometimes when you get braids, they hurt to move them, but they are really flexible. They have to loosen up because I did braid like this part really tight. Just because my problem with braids is that I can't get my hair to not show at the end, but your girl did it. My hair is not sticking out, maybe on 1 or 2 of them, but I just said I wasn't going back to redo those. But my hair looks great, y'all. I am just so proud of myself that I did these braids, knotless braids, okay? My box braids don't even look that good. But my hair looks really good. I'm so proud of myself. Like, I'm really feeling these. Look how neat that is. Neat. And I really had so many, not too many, but I had a couple of issues just with this whole process itself. As you can see, my thumb, I smashed my thumb right before I finished the last 8 plaits that I had to do. And I honestly didn't think that I would be able to braid with this on. I did not have a band-aid, so I had to really rig up some duct tape and some tissue in here and make a band-aid out of it. So I didn't think I was gonna be able to finish my last 8 plaits, but I made it work and I am completely done. I don't know how long I'm gonna let these stay in. I'm about to become like really lazy with doing my hair because I don't have to get up in the morning and deal with my hair. I can just pretty much get dressed and go now. So I don't know, maybe about 6 weeks I can leave these in, but then it's like, don't really want to do this takedown process. And that is another reason why I did really big parts, because I always think about the takedown process before I get a hairstyle, because I just gotta take my hair down by myself and that's a lot of work, and then I have to wash my own hair. So I am free of wash days for a while, maybe a few weeks, and just styling my hair, twisting it, the whole natural maintenance, hair maintenance. So I have a break, but y'all, I'm really proud of myself that I did these braids. I'm sorry, that I did these knotless braids. I'm so happy. They look so good. I would really love to try this on someone else, just because a lot of times I can do a style on myself, but it's like, can I do this on someone else? So if I find someone to do this on, I will probably post a video of it because I'm just so proud of myself that I did this. And braiding is one of my really weak areas. Like, I really prefer twists, but I can rock with it because your girl did this right here. Okay, I'm just dripping water, but I did this. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching, and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.